Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are very good and taking care of yourself. Today we had a class in primary 1 and we have covered from page number 38 to page number 43. So basically this is the chapter Fun and Games. We have started a new chapter, Fun and Games, and the students have to basically we have learned about which games the students can play. So this is little poem, and in which the students were clapping, and I was reading the poem for him. So it says, ball, ball, bounce the ball, roll it, throw it, catch the ball. So the students were performing actions on this poem, and then they were clapping, and then they were being asked that what games do they play among these. They said in A, this boy is throwing the ball and he's playing with the dog. So some students said that they have done this and they have played this game. B is, they said that the girl is playing basketball. C is that they're playing bowling. They have set some bottles, like in bowling we put bottles, but since they don't have bottles, so they've put other things and he is playing bowling with it. D is table tennis. So students said that they love playing table tennis and they enjoy. E, the last one, is spinning the ball on the foot. So these are different games, and the students were asked that do they like playing and twisting and bouncing the ball. So they said yes. These are actions: throw the ball, hit the ball, kick the ball with our foot, catch the ball, roll the ball, and bounce the ball. So here the students have been asked to perform all these activities at home. They have to bounce a ball 4 times. They have to roll a ball to their partner, for example their brother or sister or mother or father, anyone they can play with. Catch a small ball, they have to catch a ball. They have to hit a ball with a bat. They have to catch a big ball, and they have to throw a ball into a box. So this ball activity they have to do at home. So I asked the students, can they bounce the ball 4 times? They said yes. I asked them whether they can do all these. So they said yes. So they have to do it at home. Now turning to the next page, page number 40. This is a very interesting game which most of us have played, and some students still play it. Rock, paper, scissors. So they have told us the rules. We need 2 people to play, and we say 1, 2, 3, go. So this is rock, this is paper, and this is scissor. So as you can see, this is rock, paper, and scissor. So when both the participants are playing, since a paper can roll over a rock, so the paper wins. Since a rock can break scissors, so a rock wins. And since scissors can cut down papers, so scissors win. So now when 2 people are playing together, so we say rock, paper, scissors, and then we just someone can make this or a paper or a rock, whatever comes. And since both of the people will be making different hand actions, someone will make a rock, someone will make a paper, and someone will make a scissor. So these are the rules. Whoever makes a paper and a rock, so the paper will win. If it's scissors and rock, so the rock will win. And if it's scissors and paper, so the scissor will win. These are the rules. Similarly, there's another game which is very similar to this. It's bird, water, rock. So this is bird. We do it like this. This is bird. Here, as you can see, this is bird. Rock, water. Water is this. Bird is this. And rock is this. So if one makes a bird and the other one makes water. So since a bird can drink water, so the bird wins. If one makes water and the other one makes rock, so water can cover a rock, it can come over a rock, so water wins. And then rock and bird. So a rock can hit a bird, so eventually the rock wins. So this is what the students have done today. And now coming to the next page, this is short sounds. U is a vowel and the sound of U is usually a. CUP makes cup, so this is the sound of a. BUG makes bug, so this is another poem which we did. I can run like a puppy, I can jump like a bug, I can buzz like a bee, I can sit on the rug. So this is a little poem in which we have learnt about the sounds, and these are short sounds. Listen to the short sounds and say the words. Now, this is a small activity which we have just done in the class. The student said cat, up, duck, rug, dad, bag, run, map, nut. So the students had to tell me which words have short A sounds. For example, cat, the A. This cat has the A sound. So it's A sound, short A sound. And here, short A sound, up, duck, rug. So the students have to identify that which word has the A sound and which word has the A sound. Now, coming to this page, the last page which we have done today. Run, duck, run. It's a phonics story, and in which we have learned a story about a duck which gets stuck in the mud and a truck comes to save her. So what is it? This duck runs. So the picture 1 is, I run in the sun. It's lots of fun. The duck is in the mud and she's stuck. I can help. I have a truck. Help, I am stuck in the mud, she says. The duck goes up. Up, up, up. See, can you see the truck is lifting the duck up? So she says, thank you very much. The muddy duck runs again. She says, goodbye. And what does he say? Good luck. So now here what the students have to do is, they just have to circle the words which have short sounds. For example, duck, runs, run, sun. This is what the students have to do. They have to circle all the short sound words. So this was done in today's primary 1 class. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.